Hey y'all, I gotta tell you, my mother-in-law, she was quite the lady. She was a special person. But before I tell you this little story here, I want to remind y'all, have your cup of shut up and listen. Good coffee. That's the last of that. And subscribe, ring my bell. You know all the drill. Anyway, about my mother-in-law, right after we got married, to my wife that is, not to my mother-in-law. And the reason why I married into that family was because of my mother-in-law was a really special lady. Yeah, she's been gone for a few years now, and we definitely miss her. She was a lovely lady. And I want to tell the young people on out there, if you're thinking about getting married, look into the family. See what the is like, because that's pretty much what your wife is going to turn out like. Just some words of advice there. Anyway, my mother-in-law, shortly after we got married, she had quite the sense of humor. First joke I ever told her, and she got a big kick out of it. She loved it. I asked my mother-in-law, I says, you know what the definition of mixed emotions is? And she's, nope, what is it? I says, the definition of mixed emotions is when you buy yourself a brand new Cadillac and your mother-in-law borrows it and she drives it off of a cliff. That's the definition of mixed emotions. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.